Hey, Chris Matthieu from RealSense Inc. We've been doing a lot of really cool stuff with Nvidia lately, from Isaac Sim to Isaac Ross to Slam to Nvidia Holoscan. And I'm so excited today because I just received the brand new Jetson Orin Nano Super Developer Kit. So I wanted to open this up for you today to show you what it looks like, and then we'll do some demos in another video. So the box just arrived via FedEx. I took a knife and I cut the top open, but that's where I stopped. I wanted to save the rest for you. So if we get inside of here, look at this, all this packing, super packing job. Start tearing this open. Oh, I see it. I see it. Man, this is in there really good. Let me put this box away. Check this out. The Nvidia Jetson Orin Nano Developer Kit. So let's open it. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, need my knife again. More tape. Okay, that's that. That's that. All right. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, we'll save this here for a minute. Oh, I love all the green inside of the box. That's cool, the Nvidia green. Okay. Oh, it's got cool little tabs. Okay, pull this tab for the computer and then this tab for all the... Oh, look at this dude. Wow, it's so little. Oh my gosh. Look how little. Little but mighty. It's got 67 tops of compute. Let me go to the specs here. Yeah, look at this. 67 tops, 1,024 CUDA cores, 32 tensor cores, 6-core ARM, 8 gig of RAM. Man, this thing is crazy cool. So you've got the GPIOs to do stuff with robotics, so you don't need an Arduino or anything like that. You can connect your motor controllers right to that. It's got your power, an Ethernet. It's got HDMI and lots of USBs for things like your RealSense cameras, etc. Man. Okay, look on the bottom of it. Looks like it also has a built-in Wi-Fi. Oh man, I can't wait to plug this in and see what it can do. Well, let's open up the rest of the box just to show you what's in it. Looks like a Jetson Orin Nano getting started guide, the power supply cable, and then on the two ends it comes with either a US outlet plug or it looks like a European outlet plug, interchangeable. So everything you need to get started on your new robot and RealSense project. I can't wait to see how all this what I can build with this. Thank you, Nvidia.